What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to get your Nissan Armada started if your key fob dies. We're going to be doing it on a 2020 Armada here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start it as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying no key. So what we want to do is we're going to start it as we normally would, but we're going to use the top of the key fob, the part with the logo up here, to push the stop start button. So press the brake, come over here, and press it like that. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.